Have you not stayed long enough for us?
You have stayed and I have called her.
Who's keeping her now?
She's coming.
She's coming. Just.
My number one now. Okay, let's have one galano.
There's no need for you to shift. You're old man. Who told you that I am interested or I'm ready to get married to anybody? You came here with your unripe son that looks like an undone custard to come and marry who?
Calm down.
Don't ask me to calm down. Ebere, Mama, Pico. If you know what is good for you, tell this man that looks like a squirrel with his son, squirrel 1 and squirrel 2, let them leave this place. Let them go peacefully. I am not looking for a husband. I don't want to marry any of you. Carry your son and leave this place. You even brought one that is not even fine. Look at his ears standing like that of a rat. Leave this place. Your cheap wines that you brought. Carry your son and leave this place. I am not going to marry anybody. Mama Biko, tell your visitors to go. You just start shit and your rat here. You came to marry a wife. Don't leave this place. Your cheap wines. What is this? It is new. Hey!
But Mama, what is actually wrong with Ebele?
No. You know, this is the night suitor she's rejecting.
Yes.
My problem is that she's not getting any younger. What do we do? Ogo, don't.
No.
Ogo is our plate. Ogo is our plate.
I said no. No.
Take my
Hey!
They're actually going with our plate, Mama.
I'm holding. It's okay.
I must make it. I must make it. The maidens of Akama Kingdom, I greet you.
We greet you too. The drunkard of Akama land, we greet you too. Polita, this one that you're carrying a crate of drink. Have you graduated from now drinking one bottle to drinking in crates?
This one? This one is not for me alone, no.
Hey, where are you having your party? So who are you drinking with today?
I'm taking it to your house.
To a house?
Yes.
What for?
Ifeoma, am I not handsome? Am I not beautiful? Am I not okay? In fact, I'm taking it to the Ebere's house. I want to get married to Ebere. Marriage. Yes. I want to get married to you.
Shut up! Kepa, are you mad? Look at this monentity. What kind of stupid joke is that? Who are you trying to insult? It's okay. Can you imagine the nonsense?
Ebere. Ebere. This is not an insult. Since all the men in this Akama kingdom have tried their best to get married to you, you rejected them all. That is why I said, let me try my best. If it will work out, that is why I want to marry you. In fact, let me tell you, no need of going to your house. Because going to your house is of no use. The only thing we need in marriage is someone that witness it. If I'm here, your friend, let her witness the marriage. Let the ancestors in your house, let them come here and take their share. Ebere, I want to marry you. Let the ancestors in Ebere's compound come and drink. Let the ancestors in Ebere's mother's house come and drink. Ifeoma, tell the story. Ebere! 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 My wife! Hey, my wife! Ebere! Ebere!
How are you?
Good afternoon.
How are you? My in-law. I guess you're coming from the house.
Yes, I'm just coming from the house.
Did you see Ebere?
No, I didn't see anyone at home.
I know her with this her dance. I believe she'll be there by now, dancing her life away.
Oh, okay, the dance rehearsal, okay.
Did you see Emeka?
No, I didn't see Emeka at home. I didn't meet anyone.
Please, can we go back to the house so that I can find you cola?
No. Let me go and see Ebere where she is. I'll go and see her there, yeah.
But it should have been better we go back.
No, thank you, Mama. I will find her where she is. Huh?
If you insist now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Where are you going? I was just coming from the house. Your mother told me you went for dance rehearsals. So I was coming to see you there.
Yes, I went for dance rehearsals, but we've dismissed already. So I'm going home.
Okay. So, what are you doing tomorrow?
Nothing. Why did you ask?
I was thinking of coming to pay you a visit and also keep you company.
Listen, Chidi, let me tell you this. I don't like your frequent visits to my house. I never invited you to my place, so stop coming to look for me. I don't like it.
Well, Ebere, you know the reason I come to your house.
Oh, no, I don't. Please tell me.
Really? But your entire family know the reason I come to your house. They know I want to marry you.
I am not interested. Here.
Ebere.
Our farm. Yene.
Ebere, I love you so much, and I'll do anything to prove it.
Oh, until you prove it. For now, leave me alone.
Ebere!
Chidi! Yene! Here!
Ebere, wait. Ebere. Are you walking out on me? Are you walking out on me?
Don't follow me. You're not listening. I think I did separate from you. I'll just shake this and walk out of here.
I was at the front. I didn't know you were here.
My son, I am here. Oh, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Papa. I can see you are busy with work.
You can see it, my dear. No, this is what I do to earn a living. Eh? And there's nothing else I can do. They say if a fowl refuses to strike its mouth on the ground, it will go hungry.
Yes, you speak the truth tonight. Where is Chibi?
Oh, that one? I sent him on an errand to his maternal home.
Okay.
But he's not yet back. But I believe he must have gone to Ebere's house from there.
Ha.
I am tired of that boy's behavior. Honestly.
You don't have to worry so much about this.
You say I don't have to. How can a young, vibrant man like Chade be wasting his time in a woman that is not ready for him? Huh?
Papa, it's well. Just relax. It's well.
I hear you.
I think I have to start going now. When he comes back, tell him I came to remind him of our appointment tomorrow.
It's okay, my son.
Okay, Papa.
I will deliver your message.
Okay, Papa. Alright now.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
What a nice man. Why are women not seeing this type of man and get married to him? Very, very respectful and hardworking.
What are you doing here? Have you fetched water? Are these people your mates? When you should have been in your husband's house, are you their mates?
Mama, that is
Don't
our leader.
Don't let me catch you. Don't let me catch you myself. Hey, what has come over Ebere's mother?
Are we still going to continue that?
Please, let's continue. Let's continue.
Yeah, me, I'm tired. I'm tired. Let's go home, I beg.
Easy. Easy. If you injure me or you make me go naked, I will kill you.
Sorry. Mama,
Eberechi.
Mama.
Eberechi.
Mama.
Eberechi.
Mama.
You see the way I'm holding it and squeezing it?
Yes.
I will peel it off.
No, Mama, Pico. Ayo. Mama, slippers. My slippers. Mama, now, Mama.
You that dropped it, what were you expecting?
Mama, before.
I'm squeezing it, oh.
Sorry.
I'm squeezing it, oh.
Mama.
Oh, fancy,
Hey!
Stay one place.
What is wrong? Do you want to cut off your hair? Leave her.
Don't you see that this girl wants to kill me before my time? Or you want her to kill me before my time?
No. Is it because of marriage? Yes. If a girl said that she doesn't want to marry, what the elders should do is to find out. Maybe someone is somewhere marrying her. Yes, he's not dragging her here like...
Shut up. What do you ever know? Apart from drowning yourself in alcohol you did not buy with your money. Goats. Big goats. So Gambia. Mama, Mama, big goat. Mama, big goat.
I'm even trying to help you. You are calling me big goat, Gambia. That is it.
Mama,
you cut off her ear.
Let me cut. Is your child?
Let the elder.
Is your child?
Let the elder find out why she doesn't want to marry. Obedient, you cut off her ear. Obedient, leave her. Obedient, leave her. You cut off her ear. Obedient, stop.
Women, it's not as if my daughter does not want to marry your son. You know women and their style. You know, they're shy in things like this, especially when it has to do with marriage. But don't worry. I'll still talk some sense into her. Definitely she will come around. Oh?
It's okay. It's okay, my dear. We shall be on our way now, while waiting for your message for us to reconvene here.
Now, you will surely be my in-law. You're a good boy.
He's a man now. He's a man. Any boy who has grown to the age of getting married is a man.
Okay.
Agony, guy one.
Hey.
Hey, we'll be waiting for your message.
No problem.
Mama, I think I have to take this easy.
No problem.
Obidia, it's good as you came, considering the long-time friendship that is existing between us in this village. I have asked my son severally, and he has accepted to get married to your daughter Ebere.
Oh.
And I want you to ask your daughter if she has accepted to marry my son.
Hey. If we have not discussed that thing, I wouldn't have been here. We have discussed and agreed on it.
In that case, I have to pass a message to my kinsmen.
Okay.
For us to fix a date for the wine carrying. Please, I don't want any disgrace. And you have to talk to your daughter, because I want them to come to a term before anything is done.
Chim. Children of nowadays, they have already started doing something without the knowledge of we the elders.
It's
Okay, no problem. Let it be as we discussed. Shall be on my way.
It's all right. Oh, you see, you came and I engaged you in a discussion without even offering you corner. Please, wait, let me go in and get you something. Eh?
No, you don't have to bother yourself. Eh? Am I a visitor in your house? Eh? What they gonna do? I know this journey we are about to embark on. Your house will be my house. So don't bother yourself. Oh?
It's okay.
Next time I will eat as much as I want. Oh?
Oh, dear.
Come and see me off. Oh?
No problem. If you say so.
That's no problem.
Oh, dear.
Anna.
What are you doing here?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I asked the question, what are you doing here?
I came around to help with the firewood and other things.
Hey, well, slave. Houseboy. Who employed you? Did I ask you to do anything for me? Who asked you to come here to cut fire? By the way, where's Emeka?
Sister, you're back. How do you do?
Brother, I'm not back. I'm still on the plane, coming here. What is going on here? And what is this young man doing in this house?
There's nothing. But sister, did you come back to pick a quarrel with me or is there anything wrong?
Emeka?
Sister?
Emeka! Emeka!
Sister?
How many times did I call you?
Why?
I want us to have a talk. Now! Please, don't keep me waiting.
She just came in and started acting like she had a fight with someone.
No problem. Just go on. I'll be back soon. I'm coming.
Yeah, Emeka. Listen to me and listen good. In fact, what is that idiot doing here?
Who?
Who? The Okada man.
It's just me and Chide that is here. You're supposed to be husband.
Have you seen it? That is the problem I'm having with you and Mama. Why do you people keep referring to him as my husband?
But sister, are you two not getting married again?
Did I bring wine to you? Did I come to give you invitation card? Biko, stop this nonsense. I don't like it.
But Mama said that soon that his people will come and bring wine on your head.
You won't know. Everything Mama said that. Mama, you don't have sense. You don't have common sense. Nah, go back here and tell him to leave this place. I don't even want to get angry this morning. Please. See his head. Don't allow somebody have peace. Every time you come here and be looking for me, I see if I invited you to my house.
Don't worry about that. No, she's very soon.
Good afternoon.
Good morning. What are you doing here? So your common sense did not tell you that it is only proper for a man who wants to get married to a woman to stay in his house while the woman comes to the house to visit him. What are you doing in my father's house?
Ebere, I'm very sorry. But my love for you wouldn't let me do that.
My love for you will not like me do that. Lover boy, stay in your house while I do the visiting. Is that okay?
Sister Bella, if it's a cause, you have to reject it too. I don't know why you...
Mechiano! Mechiano! Close your mouth before fly enters. Ah.
Wait, don't just mind her. I'll talk to her. I don't mind her. Oh.
Ebere, you've been scarce these days. I even went to your hairdressing shop to look for you. I couldn't find you. I hope it's not because of the quarrel you had with Ogochukwu the last time at the rehearsal. Come on, Ebere. We are friends. We shouldn't be carrying things in mind for one another. Remember, you always preach love amongst us.
Far from it, Ifoma. That's not the issue. It's my family. And like you said, you noticed I haven't been concentrating on my salon job as well. So it's a general thing.
Your family? How?
Remember the last time she came to the rehearsal ground to drive me out?
Yes, I remember.
I've never had peace since that day. Listen, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Is it proper for a mother to keep forcing her daughter into getting married, even when the daughter is not yet ready?
Well, it depends on the mother.
Is your own mother forcing you into getting married?
No. But we are not the same. No man has ever come to ask for my hand in marriage. Unlike you, who already had 10 suitors. Come to think of it, don't you think people might be reading meanings to it? So I suggest you listen to your mother and settle down. Please.
Wait a minute, Ifoma. I can't believe I'm hearing this from you. Why would you say such a thing? I thought you're my friend. So you're in support of my mother when you're supposed to be on my side? Are you being serious?
I'm on your side and that's why I'm saying this. Well, I'm sorry if what I just said offended you. But I have to tell you the truth. You know they say the truth is always bitter.
Oh, well, keep your bitter truth to yourself. And thank you for the advice.
Ebere.
Sister,
good evening. My dear sister, you know I cannot see you well. My eyes will not allow me to see well. I'm just coming back from the chemist.
I'm sorry to ask, what happened to you?
Is it not my husband that dusted his boots this morning and decided to take off my eyes?
Wait. You mean a man did this to you? Your husband? I mean, what did you do that will make him treat you this way?
Nothing, no. I didn't do anything. I have caught him red-handed on several occasions, sleeping with my friend in our house. What? Today, I dabbled into them. I made to talk. He beat me up and even threatened to pluck off my eyes. Look now, he has succeeded.
Okay. I'm sorry,
Hey!
Men are wicked. Eh? What exactly would a wife do to her husband that will make him want to remove her eyes? When I say I don't want to get married, my mother will say no. Look at this.
Oh, Chimo. Madam Udo. Cha 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 cha, Uma kama kwenu. Hey! Cha 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 cha, Uma kama kwenu. Hey! Hey! Sit down. My girls, as we all know, Ebere is no more prominent in this our dance group. So I suggest that someone else should take her place. And that person is no other than me.
I totally disagree with that. You can't just tell us about Ebere's absence and appoint yourself to start leading us. We have to verify what her problem is and know if it is what we fellow guests should help her on before we change her leadership. And even if we have to, it should be by voting.
Supported though.
And that person should be Chika, not you.
Yeah. I disagree with you on Chika. I disagree on that.
Hey,
please, I disagree on that.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay, my fellow girls. It's okay. There's no need for us to quarrel. For me, what Ifoma said is the truth. We all have to tread with caution.
Yes.
We can't be a house without pillar. Someone must lead us. Yes. But first of all, we have to go to Ebere's house to find out why she has not been with us for 3 consecutive rehearsals.
They're making points. Yes, they're making points.
Okay, girls. If that's what you all want, it's okay by me. After the rehearsals, we all move to Ebere's house. Okay, girls. As you all can see, this invitation card and this mineral and the biscuits, they all came together. It's actually a good news from one of our own. Oh. She is inviting us for her traditional marriage coming up in few weeks' time. Yes. And this person is no other than Chidinma. On that day, I would like us to be on our uniform that day to grace our occasion.
Why use our uniform now? Let's do a shaking for her.
She's one of us. We're in the dancing group, so we want our uniform. So make the day lively and free. Let's go there and stop the show.
Anything goes. And let's have fun.
Listen. I want to say something. I will want us to go to the ceremony with our leader, Ebere.
Of course, we know that. Didn't we just agree that we're going to our house after this rehearsal?
Exactly.
Please, Obi, please come and share this.
Like you.
Who are you?
I've come to wipe your tears.
I won't take that from you.
Take and wipe your tears, then we shall talk.
Until you explain who you are to me, then I will take that. I have observed that you keep following me around. Why?
You and I are meant to be together forever.
Wait. You, me, together forever. As what?
Yes, you are my...
Sister? Be here. And you are crying. What is it? So you've been here and I was busy searching for you all over the village with Mama. Who?
It's a man.
A man? Sister, there's nobody here.
No.
Sister, there's nobody here. Sister, there's nobody there. Are you seeing anybody there? There's nobody here.
You want to chop off your fingers? Calm down now. I hope you enjoyed the food.
Sister. I never know you could cook such a sweet meal.
What are you saying? Eh? Is there any girl or any woman in this whole Akama village that can contest my cooking? Nobody.
Oh, it's because I am praising you. That's why you're saying this, right?
Sure, no, keep quiet. What do you mean? I know you are saying the truth. You know I can cook. Me that have been cooking since 1991. I can. You again. Why are you following me? I see you every time and everywhere I go. Who are you?
Who? Sister.
This strange one.
Who are you talking to? There's nobody here, sister.
No.
Sister, there's nobody here except this Nchuang only.
There was a man standing here.
Which man?
He had on a regalia.
Sister, there's nobody here. Just me and you now.
I saw him. He had the yellow cap on and he was standing right here.
There's nobody here. There's nobody here. Look at
If nobody greets me, I greet myself. This is the Ethiopian army. I know you will not tell me that this thing is happening because you keep face like he got who lost his way. This is naphobia. If anybody did not greet me, I'll greet myself. In fact, nobody in this village can cheat me. Not even because of the last blood of my... Hey! The last memory of my God. I know you will not tell me, no problem. I can't even... I'm tired of this. I will see you next time. Not... This is a record. This is a record. In fact, don't worry. Tomorrow, I'll come back and see you in my... The last memory of my... Come on! Stop! Oh, you are the one. Take him out of here. Carry him out of here. The last blood of my living God. Take him out. The last blood of my living God.
Please, sorry for that very rude interruption. As I was saying, this is a very happy day for me and for my family, for my kindred. Now, I will send for my daughter so that she will come and show us who has captured her heart. Enggak biar lu. Biasa. Mama kan. Enggak. Enggak. Ya itu semuanya. Kayak punya awalnya. Mụta nwoke mụta nwaanyị ihe unu ji azụ ụmụaka akụ unu na-azụkwa ụmụ unu echekọtakwa na anyị nọkwa ya maka na unu aka azụcha anyị
Chidi. Greetings, my wife.
It's not gonna.
Greetings, my wife.
Hi. Chidi, what are you doing here?
I fetched some firewood for you.
You fetched some firewood for me?
Yes.
Have you fetched enough firewood for your use at home?
Yes, I fetched a lot for myself. So I decided to share with you.
Onyoma, see why? Why?
Because I know you need it. And I don't want you to stress yourself in the bush.
Hey.
So I brought this huge one for you.
You see, you have a problem. You have a very, very big problem. Listen, Chidi, it is not proper for a man to leave his house. Leave the things he's supposed to do and be running after a woman. You want to marry me. You will go and fetch firewood. You will come and wash clothes. Come and wash plates. Chidi, it's supposed to be the other way around.
It's my duty to say.
It's not your duty! Stop saying that! I'm the one who's supposed to help you fetch firewood, wash your clothes and do everything. You ride bike. You're supposed to be using that machine every day in the morning to be helping yourself. Not coming here to come and do house. Who asks for your help now?
I don't understand.
You don't understand? What don't you understand? The Okada business or what? No, tell me so that I can explain better to you.
But I love you.
Hey! Listen, you are not supposed to be coming here to look for me. I'm the one who's supposed to come and look for you. Don't you have friends? I'm asking you, don't you have friends? Don't they advise you? Don't they tell you what to do and what not to do? You can't live your life and come here every day all in the name of trying to marry a woman. Help no maka. Leave me alone. I what?
I love you.
Shut up. Go. Go now. Shabi, you brought the fire. Go now.
I should leave.
No, go. Chidi, go. You want to carry firewood again? Go now. What is that? He acts like a fool.
What is it? Why are you crying?
Emeka, so you are in support of Mama throwing me out of the house? You, my only brother.
Is that why you're crying? But what Mama said is truth.
But I'm not disputing that fact. I haven't said so. All I'm saying is that I am not ready for marriage right now. Why won't anybody just understand me?
Sister, do you have problem with men?
I don't have problem with men. The thing is, I have heard so many terrible stories about men. I am just scared. I mean, my spirit doesn't just go well with this. That's all I'm saying.
Sister, you need to start thinking about it, because the earlier you marry now that you're still fresh and beautiful, the better for you. Not when you're old that you cannot take care of your children.
How do you mean?
I think it's better you tell a doctor what is happening to you about your sickness, because he's the only one that will know the drugs that he will administer. Not you lying about your sickness.
Emeka, I don't hate men. I don't have a problem with them. I don't have a problem with getting... Even Chidi is a very good man. All I'm asking is time. I just need your mama to give me time.
Sister, you keep talking about time. Which time do you need again? Look, you're not getting younger. The earlier you get married, the better for you. Don't wait for no man. How come man well before it gets late? Think about it. You have to think about it.
Who is at home? Okoli, Ebere.
People are welcome.
Emeka.
No.
How are you?
I'm fine.
No. You are looking fresh and
No.
okay.
Thank you.
No.
How is your mother?
Thank you very much.
No. My mother is not home. I don't know what I can offer you.
You already offered us seats. That is enough. Yeah.
Thank you. What about your sister Ebere? Is she not around?
Oh, my sister? She's not at home at the moment. She went to her usual dance at the village square.
Okay.
Yes, no.
Okay. Emeka. People say that when you visit a home and you're offered a seat, that is a sign of welcome. Otherwise, you had better find your. That is the way it is.
Yes. I'm all ears now.
Oh, okay. I would have loved to open up in the presence of your mother, but since she's not here, you are the man of the house. So let me just. Before I continue, you know Ebere?
Of course I know Ebere.
And my wife.
Yes.
Good.
Of course I know them.
Okay.
Because I was born and bred up in this village.
Yes. Okay, that is good. These are drinks. Come with these drinks. These cola nuts. They are for the peoples.
I'm all yours now.
Okay. My son, Ebere. He seeks your sister's hand in marriage.
My sister's hand in marriage?
Yes, so we want to marry your sister because we see her to be a good woman to live with. And our son here, Ebere, told us how he saw her at Chidima's traditional marriage. That's why we are here.
Okay. Well, like I said, my sister is not here, and I cannot speak for her. I believe she will be the one that will give you the right answer. Yes, Nai.
It's okay.
In that case, we will have to go because there is no wisdom in waiting for somebody who doesn't know she's being waited for.
Exactly.
So we will have to go and come back next time.
Okay. Nai.
She's here already.
She's here.
Ha!
Well done.
No. Welcome, sister.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm very fine, ma. Thank you. This one you people came to see us today.
There's no problem. We came and they told us that you went out. So we decided to leave and come back when we come back.
No. Sister.
Emeka?
Yes, sister.
You must tell me why you go around this village gossiping with my name. Look at around the village. Am I the only girl that has not gotten married? What is your problem?
Oh, married. Oh, thank God you mentioned that you've not gotten married. Thank God. Yes.
Oh, you are thanking God that I've not gotten married. How is that supposed to be any business of yours? I'm asking you. How is it your concern, Colika? Tell me. What's going on here? Ebere, has it got into this? This idiot. Leave him first. Leave him. Get away from here. This idiot. This low-life bastard that doesn't have a life. Why he goes around this village talking about me? What exactly did I do to you? Making me an object of caricature at your drinking joint. Are you a madman? What am I even asking? You are a madman.
Just thank your God. Just thank your star that your friend rescued you. If it is when I was in the city, I could have shown you the stuff I made of. When I used to break bottle on my head, could have been a dead person by now. Yes.
Did you hear? Did you hear the man you want to fight? Did you just listen to the man you want to fight? A drunkard who in this Akama village does not know Polycarp the drunkard. He talks at will and nobody does anything about it. See the way people are looking at you. Why you make a fool of yourself? Fighting Polycarp. Ebere.
Don't just worry. Don't just worry. I know why you are doing all these things. Just because you get married to a different person, different spirit, different husband in spiritual realm. That is why you are doing this thing. See, let me tell you. In this village, Akama, where we love and interact, even we welcome spirits, and no, let me tell you, nobody, no spirit. I know that some spirits are very, very wicked, but no spirit, no anyone that can block me and challenge me in this Akama village, because I can deal with any spirit and deal with spirit that brings spirit before me. So not even that one that you think that you married will do me anything in this Akama village. Okay?
You are a goat.
Just thank your star.
You see, you just said I should leave. Are you saying you just said I should leave? Oh, drunkard! You will die a drunkard.
You could have.
Let me hear my name in your mouth again.
You could have left me. Let me show you and push you. Just die.
Ebere, leave me. This is your generation.
Don't break you.
Idiot.
Don't break you. You just thank your star. I could have break you.
Don't let me come back.
I'm gonna break you.
Don't even let me come back for you.
I'm gonna break you to pieces and kill that spirit. Don't worry, just thank you. I go young.
You would not understand why I'm advising you. I don't know why you are proving stubborn. Stay away from this girl. Stay away from Chika. She's my dance colleague and I know her too well. Now that I'm saying it, you will not listen, no? You won't listen. Okay.
Sister?
Brother?
You're the one that is making a mistake here. Yes, I love Chika. And there's nothing you will do about it.
It's a new love for Chika. Spell good love. No, spell the word love. Look at this monkey. This local village boy talking about, what do you know about love? I'm asking you, Emeka, what do you know about... See, I know these people too well. They are all pretenders. I don't know why you are not listening to me. I'm not singing, I'm talking to you.